quesadilla. And what's really fun about this recipe is when you are having a party, what you do is you give people a plate and tell them to bring you back what they want in their own quesadilla. So we're gonna do a fully loaded one today so you can see how easy it is to make. But I'm using small flour tortillas, and of course you need lots of cheese. And this is just the Mexican blended cheese, so it's a little bit of jack cheese as well as cheddar that's in there. And yes, it's a lot of cheese. And then we're gonna put some chicken in. We've got some shredded chicken that we had done. So that's all ready to go, so we're gonna layer that in. And then, because it's fully loaded, let's have some jalapenos going there. Put them in the same bite. Some yellow onion. And let's kind of spread it out so that whoever's eating this doesn't get a giant bite of one thing. Going to cover up with another tortilla. We're making this on our comal, so you can see it's a nice flat surface, so it's easy. And what we're going to do is we want to get our tortillas nice and brown as well as melting our cheese.